I'm Speaker Haggai, the National Speaker, Bunge la Wananchi. I just want to say something on Uhuru's utterances today, especially on the issue of congratulating Genz. All in all, as Kenyans, we know we fight for our rights. And we know what happened in last year, June. It didn't augur well at the global stage. And when Kenya is banning, investors cannot come. When Kenya is banning, tourism cannot grow. And therefore, I urge former president, I think he was given opportunity to rule this country for 10 years. And it is high time he gave President William Ruto a time also to deliver. The president has only served 2 years. And we have seen growth in Nyanza and Western, especially in the sugar industry and cotton. Currently, farmers in those regions are organizing themselves to register in cooperative society. And this will eradicate poverty, which has gone to exponential level since these industries were thwarted by the Kanu regime. And therefore, I urge the president, the retired president, when he has something to say or to advise the president, it is good he does it out behind the curtain. Because if a former president can stand and encourage lawlessness, in as much as we fight for our rights as Bunge la Wananchi, we are also in Bunge la Wananchi. But as we fight for our rights, let us not ban this country. We don't have any other country to go to. We only have Kenya. When you go to Uganda, you will not invest. They will not allow you to be there the way Kenya is allowing you to enjoy the rights here. When you go to Tanzania, the same. When you go to any other country, the same. Even those who are in the United States of America. So we must enhance the national security and the peace of our country so that we can attract investors. Because when we attract investors, they will come, invest, and our youths who are unemployed will get employment. Value addition to our raw materials. This is how employment will be created. So let us create an environment of harmony and peace so that we can grow. When things don't go right, let us embrace the issue of dialogue and let us embrace the issue of peace. We cannot go and use the same strategies which those people who fought for our sovereignty used at the independence. We cannot use those strategies which those who fought for political pluralism used. We cannot use violence to bring economic stability in this country. Using violence and destroying property, destroying people's businesses, where people are also killed, that is not the way Kenya will grow. And with those few remarks, that's my key.